Meet Leonard and Sheldon. Look at them. They are best friends. They live together. They are very smart men. They are scientists. They know everything about physics. They know about atoms. They know about the universe. But look closely. They are wearing strange clothes. They are nerds. They are walking up the stairs. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Why are they walking? Look at the elevator. It is broken. The tape is yellow. It does not work. So they walk up to the 4th floor. Finally, they arrive at their floor. This is apartment 4A. This is their home. But wait, look across the hall. Look at apartment 4B. Usually, this apartment is quiet. Usually, the door is closed. But today, the door is open. Leonard stops. He looks at the floor. There are boxes. There are clothes. Someone is moving in. Someone new is here. Leonard is curious. Sheldon is not curious. Sheldon just wants to go home. Suddenly, a woman appears. Look at her. She is beautiful. She has long, blonde hair. She has a bright smile. She is wearing a colorful t-shirt. She is very different from Leonard and Sheldon. She is not a scientist. Leonard cannot move. He is shocked. His heart beats fast. Boom, boom, boom. He likes her immediately. Sheldon is confused. He looks at Leonard. He does not understand. The woman sees them. She smiles. She is very friendly. She says, "Hi." Leonard tries to speak. He is nervous. His hands are shaking a little. He says, "Hi." Sheldon says, "Hi." The woman walks to them. "I am Penny," she says. "I am your new neighbor." Leonard is happy. A beautiful woman lives across the hall. He wants to be polite. He wants to be a good neighbor. "Welcome to the building," Leonard says. "I am Leonard, and this is Sheldon." Penny smiles again. "Nice to meet you," she says. Leonard wants to talk to Penny more. He has an idea, a big idea. He says, "We're going to eat lunch. Do you want to eat with us?" It is a simple question, but for Leonard, it is a big moment. He is inviting the beautiful neighbor to lunch. Penny thinks for a moment. She is hungry. Moving boxes is hard work. "Sure," she says. "That sounds great." Leonard is very excited. Sheldon is worried. Sheldon likes his routine. He does not like new people, but he goes with them. They sit down to eat. The food is Indian food. It is curry. It smells strong. It is spicy. Penny is not a scientist. She works at a restaurant. She is a waitress. She talks about her life. She talks about her job. She talks about parties. She is normal. She is fun. Leonard listens to every word. He is in love. Sheldon eats his food. He talks about science. He uses big words, complex words. Penny does not understand the big words, but she is happy. She has new friends in the building. Lunch is over. Penny stands up. "Thank you for the food," she says. "You are very nice." She walks back to apartment 4B. Leonard watches her go. He closes his door. He leans against the door. He smiles. He looks at Sheldon. "We are going to be good friends," Leonard says, "and our babies will be smart and beautiful." Sheldon shakes his head. "I don't think so," but Leonard knows. This is the start of something special. The scientist and the neighbor. A new adventure begins.
¡Felicidades! Lo que acabas de hacer es increíble. Escuchaste 5 minutos de inglés continuo y entendiste la historia. Tu cerebro acaba de absorber palabras nuevas gracias al contexto visual, sin estudiar listas aburridas. Pero, para que esto se grabe en tu memoria a largo plazo, necesitas repasar. He preparado un PDF gratuito de este episodio. Incluye el guión completo, el vocabulario clave de la casa y ejercicios rápidos. Descárgalo ahora en el enlace de la descripción o en el primer comentario. Si te gustó y quieres que continuemos la historia para aprender juntos inglés, revienta el botón de like. Suscríbete. Nos vemos en la próxima historia.